Good day to you coders, and thank you for joining us on Project Code Labyrinth. In this video, we'll be learning how to read and write to external files. So the first thing you'll want to notice is there is actually an import statement, and it's import java.io.asterisk. And what this will do is import everything in the java.io package. And so what IO means is input output, and so you can output to a file, for example, and that's essentially the basis of IO. So in order to create and write to a file, what you'll want to do is you'll want to first import that, and then you'll want to create a new object called file. And so this is actually within java.io, so you don't have to worry about importing anything. And then within your constructor parameter, your argument will be whatever the name of the file you want to make is. So for this, we can call it test.txt. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to define a data input stream. Sorry, data output stream actually. And then I'll just do dout equals new data output stream. And then you'll also want a file output stream. New file stream. And then for your parameter for your file output stream, what you want to do is put the file. And so if you just put F right there, because that is our defined file right here. And so that'll serve as the parameter for the file output stream, and for your data output stream, it'll be your file output stream as your parameter. And then if you want to write to a file, you can do dout.write utf. And then let's just do hello world. And then if we save this and run it, so you'll get some exceptions here. And so what you actually want to do is you want to throw these exceptions. And so if you notice the right here, we have a new text file named test.txt, as that's what we've named it. And you'll notice that the file will actually save in your local directory. So wherever this file, this Java file is, that's where the text file will save. And so we have it right here. And then if we click on this, you'll notice that it says hello world. And then there's also some of these weird characters. And so if you actually open this in your file explorer, what you'll notice is actually that if you open it with Notepad, for example, you'll see this weird box. And the reason for that is Notepad can actually process this piece of text. It's actually it's a UTF-8 encoding. And so Notepad can't process that, and therefore it just gives you a box right here. And so what if we want to grab the text that's within a file already? So the way we can do that is very similar to how we did this. But instead of file output stream, we can do file input stream. So file input stream fin equals new file input stream. And then data input stream dn equals new data in, and then that would be your fin as your parameter. And then if you want to grab the data, then what you have to do is you have to make a new variable, and let's just call this content. And then what you do is you do dn.read utf, and then you can print this out. And so if you run this, you'll notice that we've actually grabbed the content that's within the file. And with that being said, that's all we have to cover in this video. If you guys have any questions, you guys can leave a comment down below or join our Discord server, and thank you for watching.